Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if the auto brightness feature is not working on your Android phone. To fix this, first head to the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Display. Here, disable this adaptive brightness toggle and then re-enable it. Also, make sure this Eye Comfort Shield option is turned off. Now, go back to the main settings page. Then, scroll down to tap on Accessibility. Here, tap on Vision Enhancements. In this menu, scroll down and turn off this extra dim option. If the auto brightness does not work even after this, go to the main settings page and then tap on Apps. Here, scroll through or search your app list for device health services. Then, tap it. Now, tap on Storage. Here, tap this Clear Data option. Now, tap on Clear All Data and then OK to confirm. This will clear all the adaptive brightness data and solve your problem. However, if that does not work either, your last option is to check for any pending software updates and install them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.